Consumer decision-making models are frameworks that attempt to explain and understand the process through which consumers make choices about purchasing products or services. These models outline the various stages and factors that influence consumer decisions. One of the well-known consumer decision-making models is the consumer decision-making process, which consists of several stages. Problem recognition. This is the initial stage where a consumer recognizes a need or problem that needs to be addressed. The need could arise from a variety of sources, such as an actual deficiency, a desire for an improvement, or external influences like advertisements. Information search. Once the need is identified, consumers seek information to evaluate potential solutions. Information can be gathered from various sources, including personal experience, word of mouth, online reviews, advertisements, and expert opinions. Alternative evaluation. In this stage, consumers compare and evaluate different options based on various attributes and factors that are important to them. These attributes could include price, quality, features, brand reputation, and more. Purchase decision. After evaluating the alternatives, consumers make a decision to purchase a specific product or service. Factors like pricing, availability, and the perceived value of the product play a significant role in this decision. Post-purchase behavior. Once a purchase is made, consumers may experience post-purchase satisfaction or dissatisfaction. Their evaluation of the product's performance compared to their expectations can influence future buying behavior and their likelihood of recommending the product to others. Post-purchase evaluation. Consumers assess the product's performance and their satisfaction with the purchase. Positive experiences may lead to brand loyalty and repeat purchases, while negative experiences might result in returns, complaints, or avoidance of the brand. Throughout these stages, several factors can influence the consumer decision-making process. Personal factors. These include demographics, age, gender, income, lifestyle, personality, and values. These factors shape individual preferences and needs. Psychological factors. Perception, motivation, learning, attitudes, and beliefs also influence how consumers perceive products and make choices. Social factors. Reference groups, family, social class, and cultural influences impact consumer decisions. Peer opinions and societal norms can sway choices. Situational factors. The context in which a purchase is made, such as time constraints, location, and occasion, can affect consumer decisions. Marketing and external influences. Advertising, branding, promotions, and other marketing efforts can heavily influence consumers' perceptions and choices. It's important to note that consumer decision-making is not always linear, and individuals may not go through all stages for every purchase. The complexity of decision-making varies based on factors like the product's significance, familiarity, and individual differences. Additionally, advancements in technology and the rise of online shopping have introduced new dynamics and complexities to the consumer decision-making process. Consumer motivation. Consumer motivation refers to the driving forces that push individuals to take action, make decisions, and engage in specific behaviors related to acquiring and using products or services. Motivation is a key factor in understanding why consumers behave the way they do and why they make certain choices. Consumer motivation is influenced by various internal and external factors. Here are some important aspects of consumer motivation. Needs and wants. At the core of consumer motivation are needs and wants. Needs are basic human requirements, such as food, clothing, and shelter, that must be satisfied for survival and well-being. Wants, on the other hand, are desires for specific products or services that go beyond basic needs. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs is a well-known theory that categorizes human needs into a hierarchy, starting from physiological needs, for example, food, water, and progressing to higher-order needs such as safety, love and belonging, esteem, and self-actualization. Consumers are motivated to fulfill needs at different levels of the hierarchy. Motivation theories. Several psychological theories help explain consumer motivation. Drive reduction theory. This theory suggests that consumers are motivated to reduce physiological and psychological tensions, drives, by seeking products or experiences that fulfill their needs. Expectancy theory. Consumers evaluate the potential outcomes of their actions and choose behaviors that they believe will lead to desired results. Self-determination theory. This theory emphasizes the importance of intrinsic motivation, doing something for personal satisfaction, versus extrinsic motivation, doing something for external rewards. Perception and attitudes. Consumer motivation is influenced by how individuals perceive products and the attitudes they hold toward them. Positive perceptions and attitudes can enhance motivation to purchase and use a product. Goals and values. Consumers often have goals they aim to achieve through their purchasing behavior. These goals can be functional, meeting specific needs, symbolic, expressing identity or status, or experiential, providing enjoyment or sensory experiences. Influence of culture and social factors. Cultural norms, social influences, and reference groups play a significant role in shaping consumer motivation. People are motivated to conform to societal norms and seek approval from their social circles. Marketing and advertising. Marketers use various strategies to tap into consumer motivation. Advertisements often appeal to consumers' needs, desires, emotions, and aspirations to encourage them to make purchasing decisions. Self-concept and identity. Consumers are motivated to make purchases that align with their self-concept and identity. Products can help individuals express who they are, what they value, and how they want to be perceived by others. Mood and emotions. Emotions can strongly influence consumer motivation. Positive emotions can lead to impulsive buying behavior, while negative emotions might prompt consumers to seek products that provide comfort or relief. Understanding consumer motivation is essential for businesses to effectively target their marketing efforts, create appealing products, and influence consumer behavior. By aligning their offerings with consumer motivations, companies can enhance customer satisfaction and build lasting relationships with their target audience.